Ever wanted to sound like a native English speaker? Want to spice up your everyday conversations with expressions that make you sound like a pro? Stick around as we dive into 10 super fun and useful idioms to take your English to the next level. Hey everyone! Welcome back to SAH English Insights, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to unlock the colorful world of English idioms. You know, those little phrases we all use in casual conversation that make speaking English feel a lot more lively and expressive. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what these idioms mean, but also how to use them in your own conversations. So let's get started. 1. To be in the same boat. Definition. This idiom means that you and someone else are in the same situation or facing the same problem. Usage and reason. It's used when you want to express shared experiences, whether it's a challenge or something positive you're both going through. It's a great way to show solidarity or empathy. Examples. Don't worry, we're all in the same boat. We'll get through this together. I know you're struggling with the project, but we're in the same boat. I'll help you out. It's tough for all of us in this meeting, but we're all in the same boat. Explanation. Picture a group of people in a boat on a river. If the boat sinks, they all sink together, which is the essence of sharing the same circumstances. 2. To have a ball. Definition. This idiom means to have a great time or enjoy yourself. Usage and reason. It's often used to describe a situation where you're having a lot of fun or enjoying an activity, and it adds an element of excitement to your conversation. Examples. We had a ball at the concert last night. Did you have a ball at the party? You were dancing all night. I'm sure you'll have a ball on your vacation. Explanation. The phrase having a ball comes from the idea that a ball is fun to play with and represents good times and enjoyment. 3. Once in a blue moon. Definition. This idiom refers to something that happens very rarely. Usage and reason. Use this when you want to emphasize how uncommon or unusual an event is. It's a great way to describe a rare occurrence in your life or in general. Examples. I only get to visit my grandparents once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon, we get snow here in the desert. That kind of thing happens once in a blue moon, so enjoy it while you can. Explanation. A blue moon is a rare event when 2 full moons occur in a single month. It's used as a metaphor for something that doesn't happen very often. 4. Break a leg. Definition. This one means good luck. It's often used in the world of theater, but you can use it in everyday conversations when wishing someone good fortune. Usage and reason. It's a fun and slightly quirky way to wish someone luck, and it's especially common before performances or big events. Examples. You have a big presentation tomorrow? Break a leg. I'm nervous about my audition, but thanks for saying break a leg. Break a leg on your exam tomorrow. I know you'll do great. Explanation. In theater, telling someone to break a leg is actually a superstitious way to wish them good luck, based on the belief that saying good luck would bring bad luck. 5. Spill the beans. Definition. To reveal a secret or disclose confidential information. Usage and reason. This idiom is used when someone accidentally or purposely shares something they were not supposed to. It adds drama and excitement to conversations. Examples. Come on, spill the beans. What did they say about the surprise party? I accidentally spilled the beans about the promotion, and now everyone knows. She spilled the beans about the movie ending, and now I know what happens. Explanation. Imagine someone spilling a bag of beans Once they're out, you can't put them back. Similarly, once a secret is spilled, it's hard to take it back. 6. Hit the road. Definition. This idiom means to leave or start a journey. Usage and reason. It's a casual and friendly way to talk about leaving or beginning a trip, whether it's for work or leisure. Examples. All right, we've had a great time, but it's time to hit the road. We'll hit the road at dawn to avoid the traffic. Let's hit the road early tomorrow so we can see more of the city. Explanation. The phrase comes from the idea of physically hitting the road or starting to travel on a journey. It has a sense of excitement and action behind it. 7. Let the cat out of the bag. Definition. This idiom means to accidentally reveal a secret or let something slip that was meant to be kept quiet. Usage and reason. It's a playful way to describe a situation where someone reveals something they weren't supposed to. Examples. I can't believe you let the cat out of the bag about the surprise gift. Don't let the cat out of the bag, okay? It's a secret. She let the cat out of the bag, and now everyone knows we're moving. Explanation. The origin comes from markets where pigs were sold in bags, and sometimes a cat would be sold instead. If you let the cat out, the secret would be exposed. 8. Under the weather. Definition. This idiom means feeling ill or unwell. Usage and reason. When you're not feeling your best, this phrase allows you to convey that without getting too specific about your sickness. Examples. I can't make it to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. She's been under the weather lately, so I'm helping her with the groceries. You look a little under the weather. Maybe you should rest. Explanation. It's thought to originate from sailors, where bad weather could cause sickness. Now it's a way to gently say, you're not feeling great. 9. Bite the bullet. Definition. This means to face something difficult or unpleasant with courage. Usage and reason. This idiom is often used when you have to do something that you're avoiding or that is uncomfortable but necessary. Examples. I really didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. She had to bite the bullet and apologize for her mistake. I know the project is tough, but it's time to bite the bullet and get started. Explanation. This idiom comes from the practice of soldiers biting on a bullet during surgery to endure pain without screaming. It's about facing discomfort head on. 10. The ball is in your court. Definition. This means that it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Usage and reason. It's a great way to say that the responsibility or decision now lies with someone else. Examples. I've done everything I can. Now the ball is in your court. You've got all the information, so the ball is in your court. It's your move. The ball is in your court. Explanation. It comes from tennis, where the ball literally goes into the other player's side and it's now their turn to play. Now that you know 10 exciting English idioms, it's time to spice up your conversations. Idioms are not only fun, but they also help you sound more fluent and natural in English. So, what's your favorite idiom from today's video? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more language tips. Keep practicing and remember, your English will get better with each day. Until next time, happy learning.